Okay, guys. All the elk right here. I accidentally clicked off the movie a minute ago. The video. Look at Odo. I don't know what I'm doing. This is all new to me. Steve usually does all this. Well, today it's my turn. They're just doing their thing. Doing what elk do. Over here. I'm going to zoom in so you can see them really good. They're just bedded down waiting on the rain to end. We are in Estes Park, Colorado. We got here on Saturday. It is Thursday. This is the first time we've had this many elk in camp. I'm going to try and walk down just a smidge more. There's a girl right there. She's just eating on a bush. That girl right there has a tracking collar on her. I'll zoom in and see if you can see it. Let's see, right there, she's got a tracking collar on. There's a boy. Pretty good size. Right here. Really tall. Trying to zoom in so you can see him. He's up against the bush, so it makes it really dark. I'm just standing there checking everything out. Scroll over here just a ways because there's more over here in this bush. That's Manor RV Park, folks. Here. I'm going to zoom out a bit and I'll show you what it looks like just from a distance. This right here is the dog walking area if you have pets. It's actually pretty nice. Pretty nice. You walk right back there between those bushes and they call that Poodle Circle. Right here behind this fire hydrant is a really pretty bird. Okay. We're all just waiting out the rain. Park's pretty full. I'm getting my feet wet.
All the elk over there? And the babies? I said you got a picture of all the elk and babies.
Oh yeah. That was a lady that's in the RV park. She was wanting to know if we got a picture of all the elk and babies. Of course we did. We gotta move, there's cars coming. They're just all laying down. Probably just gonna wait out the rain. This little baby, he's feeling frisky right there. He's filling his oats. He was bucking up a while ago, pawing at the ground, trying to find him a spot to lay down. I'm already wet, so I'm just gonna keep going. We don't even care. There's some people over there, right there, setting up their RV, and look, right there is an elk at the end of their trailer. And they're just setting up their RV. That elk don't care. He really just don't care. Oh, it's a girl. Okay, guys. This is my RV right there. My truck right there. I'm gonna walk up the road. Try and get my sandals out of the water. This is the front of the RV park. You got mountains on every single side of this RV park. It's mountains on that side. That's the bear dumpster, so the bear don't get in. About 3 nights ago, we were talking to the camp hosts, and they said that there was a bear that came into camp, and there was prints on the side of the dumpster. I'm gonna see if I can get it, where the bear had gotten into the dumpster. See those prints, folks? That's black bear. About 250 pounds. He was in that dumpster, the camp host said, about 5:45, 6 o'clock. And I had brought my dogs, which is, there's the bear dumpster. There. Here's the dog park. I had brought my dogs out about 6 o'clock. So I missed that bear by probably 10 minutes, most. I would not have wanted to been that close to a bear, but I would have loved to have seen it. But the camp host was saying he weighed probably 250 pounds or so. And that he was that's big for a black bear in this area. So, like I said, we haven't seen him, but we did see his little prints. Actually, big paw prints on the dumpster. Here's the front of the RV park, up the hill there. Once again, there's mine. I'm gonna walk this way and get a better picture of the mountains. The view that we look at when we look out our window. It is spectacular. It's the view of Rocky Mountain National Park. Right over there. I'm going to zoom in so you can see that. That's another RV park on the other side of ours. Washed out the road pretty good. Pretty good. There's a little prairie dog everywhere around here. I'm going to scan down at the road and the grass, and I'm going to show you all these little holes. It's prairie dog holes right there. They have little prairie dog villages. I'm not even kidding. They're everywhere around here. They just run around and squeak. I'm going to go up here and show you how bad it washed the road out from the rain. You can see right there they have sandbags trying to keep the gravel and stuff in the road. I'm gonna go and walk a little further and I'll show you how bad it's washed out the asphalt just from the last couple of days of the rain. It looks more like a ditch or a river. That's the road. That's the road. It's been washed out and all that gravel has went down into the river. Into the big Thompson River. That's what we're camped on, is the big Thompson River. There's another elk right there. I don't even care. They don't even care. The mountains are beautiful. The rain is past. Guys, we will catch you later. This is Steve and Tammy making tracks. And here after a while, once the water's done running off the mountain, we'll get out and we'll film the RV park and show you this RV park, but now you can see why we love it. Mountain views, 360 degree all the way around you. Elk come in. All the, like, I don't know, there's probably 50 there, maybe. A whole herd. Anyways, we'll catch you later. Thanks for watching. This is Steve and Tammy making tracks.